Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming Git and Python are ready on your machine. Open a terminal and run Git version and Python 3 version. Next, find the repository name or URL on GitHub so you know what to fetch. Decide whether you need full history. If so, clone. If you only need files, zip download is faster. Once decided, navigate to your target folder in the terminal so your next command runs in the right place and permissions are correct. Now perform the main fetch. Run git clone followed by the repository URL to get a local copy with commit history. If you fork the repo, add the upstream remote and use git fetch then git merge or git pull to incorporate upstream changes. This preserves your edits. For isolated files, open the raw file on GitHub and use save as or curl to download directly. Make sure branch selection is correct. Switch with git checkout to the branch you need before building or running code. With the code local, install required packages, pip install R requirements. txd or use the repository's instructed environment tool. This ensures reproducible runs. Next, run example scripts or test suites to confirm functionality. Use Python 3 mpytest or the provided run commands. If something fails, inspect error messages, confirm you're on the correct branch, and rerun dependency installs. One key troubleshooting tip: recreate a clean virtual environment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.